Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CS Guide YouTube channel. In today's video we will see how to reverse a number in Python. This kind of questions are frequently asked in interviews as well as in many exams. But before we dive into the code, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out whenever I upload this kind of videos on my channel. We'll write a Python program that takes an input number and reverses its digits. So, if you input 1 2 3 4 5, the program will return 5 4 3 2 1. It's a useful skill to have in your Python programming toolbox. Now, let's jump into the code. First, we'll define a function called reverse_number. This function will take a number as an argument and return the reversed number. Inside the function, we initialize a variable called reversed_number to 0. This variable will store the reversed number as we build it digit by digit. Next, we'll use a while loop to reverse the number. Inside the while loop, we'll use the modulus operator to get the last digit of the number. We'll then multiply the reversed_number variable by 10 and add the last digit to it. This will shift the digits of reversed_number to the left by 1 place and add the last digit to the ones place. We'll then divide the number by 10 to remove the last digit. We'll repeat this process until the number becomes 0. Finally, we'll return the reversed_number variable. Now, let's call the function and print the result. Let's run the program and see if it works. It works. The program takes an input number and returns the reversed number. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us out.